Baia Verde, or Green Bay, is a stunning beach located near the charming town of Gallipoli on the Ionian coast of Italy's Salento Peninsula. Renowned for its breathtaking emerald waters and fine golden sands, Baia Verde is a premier destination for beach lovers and sun seekers. The gentle slope of the shoreline makes it easy to wade into the water, making it a safe and enjoyable spot for families and children. However, the astonishing beauty of this location is not adequately usable from a practical point of view. In fact, the extreme scarcity of parking makes access to the beach complicated. However, there are accommodation facilities equipped with a shuttle service to the beach, which objectively can make a difference in the quality of the holiday itself. We hope this video was useful, and we look forward to seeing you in future episodes.